Welcome to the MTD Technical Corner. Today we'll be technically reviewing the OK-VISE work holding solution from First MTA. Now, Alex, welcome back to the MTD studio. How are you? All right?
Yeah, I'm good, Gio. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Good.
OK-VISE, before we start and get technical, can you just give us a bit of an overview about this product portfolio?
Okay, so OK-VISE are a Finnish company. Very much started out by producing the fixturing component that you see here, and have further moved into kind of like more flexible fixturing solutions, for the CNC market.
So with OK-VISE, I can see lots of different clamps. Can you explain the differences between each one and how they work?
No, of course. So the clamps themselves are three components basically, with a bolt going through them. So what happens is you've got a taper component in the center that, when it's screwed down, separates the two jaws outwards. This can either be used for holding one component or holding two components at the same time. As you can see, wide range of sizes, going all the way from our smallest, which is the A type, all the way through to our F type, which has a clamping force of over 150 kilonewtons.
The clamping force is phenomenal for such a small clamp,
Which is massively ideal, particularly when you think about the clearances that are required in horizontal machining and stuff like that. The last thing you want is bulky clamps getting in the way of you being able to get to the part, maybe adding more waste material. So something like OK-VISE, you don't even have to go with the largest ones. You're still getting huge amounts of clamp force from the smaller ones, and giving you all of that clearance.
So when designing a fixture, you're effectively saving space on that fixture, being able to have a small clamp producing that type of clamping force.
No, definitely, and holding two components at the same time, it does mean that you can, if you've got a faceplate, for example, you do get that many more components on. And the nice thing about OK-VISE as well is, as much as they do the kind of standard serrated and the smooth jaws, they also do a range here with knife edge for holding on less material, machinable options. They also do ones where you can bolt extra material on. So there's lots of different ways of using it and utilising it, and so it really is a very flexible system.
Very flexible, and it can be incorporated into fixture plates, as you mentioned. You are UK agents also for chick work holding. How would you distinguish between applications, whether you use a chick work holding solution or an OK-VISE work holding solution?
It's a really good question. The great thing about this is we tend to use them hand in hand. For example, chick faceplates that are used are great for fixturing, but the problem with chick faceplates is you've got a limited surface area compared to, let's say, if you're building a much larger fixture. Now, if you've got that smaller area to work with, you need smaller clamps, and this is where OK-VISE comes in really useful. So using the small clamps, getting lots of components on. We've even gone as far as to actually put the rails on the faceplates as well, just to add even more versatility to an already really all-round product.
You've not really touched on the rails yet. Can you tell us about the rails, please?
So the rails are great. I want to say it's one of their newer products. It's been around quite a while now, actually. So what you've got is you've got rails, which they'll manufacture up to 700 millimeters long.
And that's the bottom part that you can see.
Yeah, the bottom part that you can see here. So on the top of them, they have a serration. You can see them, they just went off screen there. Sorry, Alex. Yeah. A serration with a ground finish on the top. Now this allows you to be able to move the stops and the clamps around to various positions in order to change between jobs very quickly and easily.
It's on here now, actually. You can actually gesture to there, Alex.
So what we've got there is someone loading them up, being able to see that, two components held with one clamp on there. And ultimately, if they needed to change to a second operation by rotating the component, it's very quick and easy to take the clamps off, separate them out a bit, giving you that added space, and away you go again. They also show there, as well as stop, they do a variety of stops where they screw in, and they also do magnetic ones as well, which is really handy. These can be set up quite easily on grid systems as well, like you can see behind them. They've got locations on the back of them to ensure that they are locating if you're taking them off, moving them around, separating them, bringing them back together for further support. So you can straddle the the components across multiple rails.
What really stands out to me, Alex, is the thin profile of these OK-VISE rails. You know, even in the regards of the depth as well. You've got really great accessibility around the component, haven't you, with the overhang, especially on that particular example. But if you were putting these onto a column, it will you could increase the swing diameter. So exactly. It's a very compact system.
No, definitely, and it is an advantage because, you know, in a horizontal situation, if you put a large tooling column on there, you know, that swing diameter is really a constraint. You know, if you're putting large components on there, the last thing you want to do is be stepping out further away from that column, not to mention kind of rigidity issues that you might see further away. So that is a great function of them, and the width of them themselves just gives you that additional clearance to get to the parts.
Alex, thank you very much. It looks a very flexible and modular solution that further enhances your product portfolio in Workholding. And how should people get in touch if they want to find out more?
So yeah, I mean, we've got a few different options. The easiest one is to phone the office. If you've got any questions, there's always someone on the other end of the phone that can answer. We've also got a few people out on the road that are able to pop in and see you and talk to you further, and maybe bring the kit out with them so you can have a play and see it a bit more, how it works yourself.
Alex, it's been an absolute pleasure again, and I hope you come back soon. So there you have it, the OK-VISE Workholding solution from First MTA. If you want to find out more, give them a call and see how it can benefit your workholding processes.